What's up, guys? Zach Ginn here, and in today's video, I share with you exactly my secret to pulling the government lists in person for wholesaling real estate. Before we get in the video, guys, remember you need to smash that like button and subscribe to get the most free value from me, and let's get in the video. Yosef!
Joseph, I've seen him here before.
Oh, yeah.
Look,
He's a
guys.
smart guy.
What's up,
Remember-
man?
How you guys doing today?
Doing
Great,
good.
man.
Doing great. Let me take off my AirPods real quick. Give me a second. Now? Can you hear me?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, we can hear you.
All right, perfect. I didn't know land deals can be that crazy good.
Yeah.
Is it like more, is it less competitive than houses, land deals?
Yes.
Well, that's crazy.
There's less of them, though.
There's less of them, and
It's harder to be a seven-figure wholesaler off of land only.
Mhm.
You can make 100, 200K, but
Yeah.
like you're kind of capped. That's always the issue. But I always do both, you know, why not?
Mhm. Of course. So like I shouldn't like when I'm in prop stream pulling the list. I usually don't include vacant land, but now I'm gonna think about it and like go ahead and pursue.
Think about it.
Vacant land. I'm gonna do it actually. Not think about it. I'm gonna do it.
I did it.
St. Lucie County, I would say only has like,
Yeah, there's nothing left.
I would say in St. Lucie, there's probably $500,000 worth of wholesaling land deals in St. Lucie.
Yeah,
And that's not a lot. Like that's
I did it
terrible.
by accident. The guy would own the lot next door, didn't build on it, and I'd ask him just to throw it in. That was like my big land deal 5-7 years ago, and now we chase them all around. But we've seen land it sells as low as $5,000 a lot. Now it's now they're up like around 125 for the same lot. It's actually almost sounds
That's
like
great.
that other thing.
Yeah.
But
So I took you guys' tips and tricks on going to the probate court and trying to pull the probate list. So I went to my local probate court around like 2-3 days ago, and I went in there and they didn't want to help me out. And I'm like, you know what? I'm not taking no for an answer. So I kept on asking. They sent me somewhere else, and then she's like, oh, you're gonna have to figure it out yourself. She sent me to a computer, and I'm like, okay. There's a computer that just has case search number, and out of me have no cases. So after an hour of like just talking to people, like at the court, I was talking to a few attorneys. I'm like, yo, how does the probate cases work? And he would just give me clues here and there. And I figured out a way to find it by date. Like I'd have to search each case number, and that's like 199 and then 198 in order to get the case numbers. I'm like, oh wow. They make it so hard, which I find is good news. Like as of Zach said, the harder it is to get, the less people are trying to get it.
yeah, what
Orange
market is
County.
that? Yeah.
Riverside.
Oh, Riverside, yeah.
Correct. Yeah. I'm like,
So-
they didn't want to help me out. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
I'm gonna figure it out myself.
Yeah,
So-
you got to pull all the tricks out. So like when I went to first learn probates, I treated it like a school project.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Everything everyone's telling me, I'm just going to ignore. I'm just going to walk in like I know nothing about probates, and if it's going to take me 3 weeks, I'm going to get the information. And that's, you know how I figured out probates? I went to the probate department and I just buttered up the girl there. Like I just, and you can't just sit there and demand people and threaten them. And it is public record, but you got to understand, you got to look at their side too. They constantly have people coming in trying to get this information for free and then sell it to people like us.
Yeah. A
They
lot
get
of
it
companies
30, 40 times a day. So they're going to try to shoo everybody away.
don't. Mhm.
We even have some of our code violation departments. They make you meet with a lawyer and like you have to check off a list. It's like,
Yeah.
so most people run when they hear a lawyer. I'm like, well, that's fine. Well, you'll have to come back next Tuesday at 10 a.m. to meet with our legal department. Just don't go away. That's the key. And just, you have to be nice even when they're being like not nasty. And after a while, when they figure out you're not going to go anywhere, they figure it's just easier to give you help, advice, or information and kind of go on from there. So it's
Right.
Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.